Hey, what's going on, folks? Today what I'm showing is a little project that you can do with kids. If you got kids in the house for the winter time or something to do while they're on summer break. Make sure they pass the test. They good? Okay. So you can take regular ordinary beans. This is a kidney bean. You can do lima beans. You can do pinto beans. As long as it's dry, you can do a bean. And you know, if you put a bean in the dirt, like so, make sure the soil is moist, put it in a nice warm place. Or what you can do is you can do the bag method. This bean right here has been in a bag. You wet the napkin, put it in a nice warm place. That's what it looks like. And this is after a few days. You trying to approve this? This is good? Somebody wants some attention. Someone wants to get into the camera so I can give them some love. You good now? Okay. Okay. So once your beans get its roots, you want to be very, very careful. Pull them off. Just like this. And I'm only going to plant one of them. And this is how you plant it. Make a nice deep hole. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And then once it comes up 5 days later, this is your kidney bean. So this is a nice project that you can do with the kids because one, they get immediate gratification. Within 3 to 5 days, this is what they can have, a bean plant. The thing with the beans is this. These two leaves right here are called true leaves. These are original leaves. Once you get your next set of leaves like this, then it's time to start feeding your plant fertilizers to keep it green and keep it healthy. I like to use fish emulsion. I like to use coffee grounds to help the green. And sometimes I like to put a little maybe blood meal in it also. So we're gonna watch this for the next few days. It usually takes up to 80 days before it starts producing beans, edible beans. Now, once the pod dries, that's when you can harvest the beans. So it has to turn brown and it's like a paper texture. Once it reaches that, the beans are safe to eat and safe to harvest. So this is the little project you can do with your kids. Thanks for watching. YWG. Tune in for the next lesson.